It's a special branch of Islamic theology
Okay.
where the spirit of the law it overrides the letter of the law.
Okay.
It's a long explanation, but in essence, it's about serving mankind and doing good.
Okay.
Everything about service. Its emphasis is first service, love, compassion, and kindness. And he said the man was a Turk. In the church, the man then does a zikr. Now, zikr is an Islamic practice. It's not a Christian practice. It's an Islamic practice where you chant God's names in Arabic. So if you translate it in the different scriptures, it would mean God, the one and only, kind, compassionate, merciful, living, eternal, absolute, cherisher, nourisher, sustainer, and so it goes. And he said he chanted the zikr in Arabic and people joined him. But in that church, there was Jewish rabbis, Christian priests, Hindu pandits, other Muslims, and people of faith and of no religion. And they all participated in the zikr. And then that drew a very important point. You see, people tell us that religion is the cause of conflict. This actually proved that religion is not the cause of conflict. That the Christian elders of the church understood the unity of religion. They understood the unity of mankind, that we all come from the same source. And they had no issue with the Muslim guy reciting a zikr in the church. We then understand it further, that religion is not the cause of conflict. People who move away from religion cause conflict. Because in essence, religion teaches peace, love, respect, understanding.